Do you guys believe in love at first sight?
Yes.
You don't agree?
पहले होता था, एक ही बार हुआ है कॉलेज में एंड देन नॉट आफ्टर दैट.
वैसे लड़के अपना पहला प्यार नहीं भूलते हैं ना.
लड़के अपना कौन सा भी वाला प्यार नहीं भूलते हैं. आई थिंक सभी याद रहता है.
How do guys deal with heartbreak? Do they feel heartbreak?
नहीं नहीं, हम तो इंसान ही नहीं है, तो फील होता ही नहीं. हमारा तो काम दिल तोड़ना है. यूं ही ऐसी गजलें शायर सारे लड़के ही बने, पता नहीं क्यों. Women move on faster than men do.
Women will pretend that they're okay, but they'll never move on. But when a man moves on, he moves on.
No, a man
I
never
don't
moves
think a
on.
man ever moves on.
Men always care. Like अभी भी उसका फोन आ जाएगा ना, they'll go.
But how have you guys dealt with heartbreak in life?
It's tough. Cried myself to sleep. But then I saw a video of Rihanna. I was like, why should I cry?
Cry myself to sleep. Who wants to do that? You wake up with puffy eyes the next day. That's a waste.
You guys have a particular playlist that you guys listen to when you're sad?
ये sad क्यों पूछ रही है कब से? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
हाय हेलो बोलने में लड़की से पता है कितनी नर्वसनेस होती है लड़कों को.
लड़कों को होती है.
Even
अरे
लड़कियों को होती है.
But लड़कियां फिर भी नहीं बोलती हैं और उनको at any given point I feel girls have more options. They might not be viable options, but a girl has more options.
might not be viable options. ऐसे ही रिजेक्ट हो गए सारे. वाइबल ही नहीं हो तुम लोग. We expect love to be like a feature film. It is actually a series of short films with like
Wow.
yeah.
I was about to say horror comedy.
yeah.
But yes, that
Yeah.
too. Hi Siddhant, hi Mrinal, how are you guys
Hi.
today?
Wonderful.
Good.
Thank
How are
you.
you, Sadhika?
I am good. I was quite excited to be sitting with you guys, to be talking to you.
Oh.
But first things first, आप दोनों को याद है कि आप दोनों पहली बार कहाँ मिले थे, कब मिले थे?
Yeah.
I remember
Yeah.
2019
19 at a party.
at a party.
Okay.
Yeah.
किसकी पार्टी?
It was hosted
Nikhil
by
Advani's.
Nikhil Advani, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I remember I was just sitting in one corner eating khana, literally.
Yeah.
And Sid entered, and
Yeah.
I was like, we were just complimenting each other for Super 30 had come, and
Gully
Gully
Boy.
Boy had released at that point of time, and
Yeah.
we just bonded over each other's performances.
Yeah.
And then we spoke about life, we spoke about siblings, and we also manifested that we would like to share the screen space, and here we are.
Wow. So you guys are big on manifesting then.
Yeah.
I
I am.
So that makes the two of us.
ऐसी moments हुई हैं मतलब apart from you guys working together,
Mhm.
have you guys managed to manifest something?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
entire career.
My career. yeah.
ये अलग टाइप का sync चल रहा है दोनों
Yeah.
में.
I mean, how else would you do it? Like, keep that strong belief in yourself when it's hard and when nobody believes in you, but just it's all you, all alone. So I did that. I used to manifest working with the best in the business so that I can also, learn and grow with them. So, and my initial film actually started with that. So, and got fortunate enough to actually work with almost all the big banners and all the big stars. So yeah, I mean, I think I manifested all of that. It was never a doubt in my head.
कितनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ होती है कि एक टाइम पे हम मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं कि हम बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ काम करेंगे, पता भी नहीं चलता और अब खुद आप दोनों इतने बड़े हो कि शायद कोई और आप दोनों को देख के सोच रहा होगा कि यार कभी हम भी we'll work with Mrunal and we'll work with Siddhant.
I hope so. I mean, I still don't feel like that. I still feel like I have to do a lot more to kind of reach there. So yeah, I mean, I'm still trying, and I hope people look at this journey and get inspired and they keep dreaming.
आप दोनों को कभी जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को सुना है कि दे टॉक अबाउट इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम.
ये
And-
मैं बोलने वाला था.
हाँ,
हाँ.
एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
हाँ, होता है. What about you?
What is imposter syndrome?
Let's let Siddhant explain it.
I mean, मोटा ये है कि you feel like you're living somebody else's life
No.
and you don't deserve something like that, right?
No.
Yeah, it basically means कि you're living this life but कभी-कभी realize नहीं होता, like it doesn't sink in कि is this my life? Do I deserve to be where
Yeah,
I
exactly.
am and I'm
No,
doing
I
all of
pretty
this?
much know. I deserve this because I've really worked hard for it. So yeah, I don't in that syndrome. I don't believe.
Yeah.
That's quite inspiring actually and
Yeah.
refreshing also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yesterday somebody at the press junket they mentioned about you got success and fame at such an early stage, and I was like, really? It took us for me. It at least took like I started my career when I was 17,
Wow.
and after like 11 years, I felt like when somebody at the airport called out my name, not just Mrunal, they said, "Oh my God, Mrunal Thakur." That was the time I felt like I've arrived. And it
And
actually
what did
took
they call
me,
you?
Huh?
Pan India sweetheart.
Pan India sweetheart,
National crush.
national crush, Pan India sweetheart, what all, like Queen of Smiles, or God knows, there's so
Queen of
many
Smiles, nice.
tags that I mean, I actually really enjoy it. And recently, I happened to meet bunch of kids who were taking acting workshops. And they said that we would really like to share screen space with you. Please remember this day. I met you. And I was like, yes, 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 pinch me. And I was like, okay, we will share screen space with you. And just felt very overwhelmed. And that syndrome doesn't exist. I felt like, yes, I've worked hard. I deserve. And I'm really proud of myself to be here, to reach how far I've reached. Yeah.
That is such a wholesome thing to experience and say also out loud. And I have to mention this to you. A couple of months ago, मैं अपने mom dad के साथ बैठी हुई थी, and we all watched Sita Ramam together.
Oh.
And we all ended up crying watching that movie. And so this time when I told my parents that I'm going to Bombay and I'm going to be shooting with Siddhant Chaturvedi and Mrunal Thakur, my father was like, that listen, you have to tell her that the movie was so beautiful. So
First, I have to thank your father for naming you. The name is so beautiful. And I must say a big thank you, because I think it's your mom, your dad, audience like them that makes me feel like I'm accepted. Finally. Yeah. So a big thank you. Uncle, if you're watching this, a big thank you.
ठीक है, my dad will, like screen grab this moment and share it on his WhatsApp groups, जैसे like all
Please.
fathers do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
God. Do you guys have like family WhatsApp groups जहाँ पे आप लोग updates देते हो या फिर good morning messages आते हैं templates
course.
वाले?
Of course, yeah.
Of course.
But are you guys active on it?
Yeah.
I'm very active.
Really?
Actually, I was the one who
Formed the group.
who made the group at first place, because they think that because I'm at work, they should not disturb me. But that group is something that keeps me, I know what is going on at home. Like 2 days ago, my mom got hurt and I found it out today. So I keep telling them, I'm busy, but I will always check my messages. Why don't you just let me know on the text?
Yeah.
Just let me know there's something like this happened. I don't like surprises. And then we'll keep getting updates about what's cooked at home and what's happening. If there is any festival that I'm missing, then they'll send me the decor, the rangoli photographs, or the khana that's been cooked. So yeah, we do have a group.
That is sweet. और आप active हो?
जी मैं एक्टिव हूँ. मैंने ग्रुप नहीं बनाया, लेकिन मतलब एक्टिव हूँ. हर चीज़ जो होती है लाइफ में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. So I send a picture and I receive a lot of pictures as well. So yeah, it's quite active like that.
There is a group where it only says photos.
Okay.
We all talk only in photos. We only share pictures. Like wake up, if we are at work, we'll send a selfie and be like, if we are taking a flight, boarded, that's it.
Yeah.
So we have group with family members, cousins, just the elders and just the cousins, and one is this big family group, and then there is a core family also where it's only me, my sister, my mom and dad.
Wow.
So yeah,
Your WhatsApp list must be very long.
yes, it is.
वैसे are you guys good texters or bad texters?
I'm very bad.
Oh God.
That's
Very
why we
bad.
communicate with pictures. no?
Yeah.
We just send pictures and it's...
Chalo, that is still better than not communicating at all. A lot of
Yeah.
people, they leave people on scene. कैसे
No,
scene
I
zone
always
कर दिया?
call like.
Oh, you're a call person.
Yeah.
I'm a FaceTime person.
Oh. ठीक है, with that face card, I think it works.
Yeah, I wake up with like, not really, huh?
Okay, so what was the first impression you guys had of each other? But honest ones. Not very diplomatic and, oh, such a nice guy, such a nice girl. First
No,
real
I'm-
impression.
When I met Sid, I'd watched Inside Edge and cut to Gully Boy. So for me, I was like, wow, he's the same person. First of all, they just look like poles apart. Both the
were.
characters look poles apart.
Yes.
And I have respect for people, like actors especially, who can transform and just bring out the best without, not even for a fraction of a second, I felt like, oh, that Siddhant Chaturvedi I met at the party. No, he's not like what he is in reality. So I'm really fond of him. I like how he writes. He's very good with words. He's very expressive. Every time he would come into a room and he'll just calm everybody and just like take control. suddenly he'll break the ice. I'm not really good at that. So I think that's the best quality he's got.
Wow.
Did you know that you have these qualities?
You know better. We broke the ice.
Right, that's true.
Yeah, before this interview. But her impression was so I'd seen her in Nach Baliye.
Ooh.
Yeah, and because I still watch a lot of reality shows. Yeah, I'm watching Splitsvilla right now.
Oh, yeah?
You are watching Splitsvilla?
Yeah.
Wow,
I
would
watched
never
Roadies, I watched Big Boss,
I
I
watched
watched.
Roadies too.
Yeah, so I watched Nach Baliye and she was amazing in that. And then I watched Love Sonia, and then I watched her in Super 30. I was almost gonna say Sultan.
No.
That's somebody else.
Yeah, so I watched her in Super 30, and then I was like, my God, this girl. Because the way she glow up on screen in Super 30, I was like, wow. So I remember I had DM'd you. I slid into a DM saying that, just out of appreciation, saying that, you know, my parents loved her, I loved her. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. And I was so excited that, you know, we have a new, fresh talent coming in the industry. And then I got to meet her at that party, and she's been the sweetest, she's the most caring, she's very enduring. She's, you know, she's fun in a way where there's no pretense. She is what she is. And even with her group, with her gang, you know, Lochan, Dipali, guys, don't
They are just like Lochan
Shout out to
Dipali.
everybody.
Shout out. Look at
Shout
Deepu.
out.
Woo!
So, you know, it's exactly the same I am with my gang, you know. So that's very relatable, and it shows that this is a girl who's hustled all the way up, and even after all the stardom and the amazing work she's doing down south, but still she's so like grounded, humble, at the same time very, she just lights up the room with her smile, I feel. And you know, she'll always ask you if you're fine. She's caring, and she takes genuine interest, you know, not just one of those where you just ask for the
Sake
heck
of it.
yeah. So yeah, I think that says a lot about her persona.
So would you guys say that you guys are friends?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would just call him like, Sid, yaar. Kya ho raha hai? Sid. And because, see, that's the thing. If you're aligned, things just get easy no matter how tough the day is, be it on shoot, be it promotions, even off. Like, if we meet at some party or something, I literally, like, because I am very anxious person when it comes to social gathering. I'm like, Sid, you're not entering that party without me. Please just be there.
You need somebody with
Yeah,
you.
he would wait in his car for like 15-20 minutes. God knows how long I've made him. Thank you for that, Sid.
That's all.
And he's literally, I've entered the party with him and I would not leave because I get very anxious when there is a social gathering. I do look like, you know, I'm somebody who would talk a lot, but I would talk because I'm anxious.
Nervous.
Nervous, yeah. लोग खाते हैं, मैं बातें ज़्यादा करती हूँ. फिर घर जाके खाती भी हूँ. But yeah, he's literally, I can be transparent with. And I can't pretend, yaar, I'm a really bad actor behind, like when the camera is not rolling. Whatever I feel, it is
On your face.
on my face. And there are very few people who understand, like he's one of them. When things are not working, it's like, yeah. Let's not do this. Like, thank you for saving me.
So आप लोगों ने इतना टाइम अभी साथ में स्पेंड किया मूवी के लिए, प्रमोशंस के लिए. I'm sure कि when you start spending so much time with each other, there are also things that irk you about one another, which is quite
Irk
natural.
you.
Irk you, मतलब
Okay.
you
नहीं
get
पसंद है.
annoyed. जैसे कुछ habits हैं. Like by and large, I like you. But you know, ये एक आधी habit है आपकी जो मेरे को थोड़ा सा irritate करती है. And you know, I wish you wouldn't do that. So have you guys discovered that yet?
मुझे झगड़ा करा के रहना मतलब आज.
नहीं.
अरे अच्छा खासा
See,
चल रहा है
this
हमारा.
makes conflict makes the heart and relationship go
नहीं
stronger.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, I genuinely have not found even anything which irks me. I think, yeah, she's always on time. She knows her lines. She's asking the right questions to the co-actors, to the director. Her team is lovely.
I
She's
can be
lovely.
annoying sometimes.
Yeah.
Because I just want to be like perfect.
Yeah, I mean, I think she overthinks. I think that's okay, I guess. But she overthinks sometimes. She overanalyzes. But that's it, I guess.
As a person also, or just as an actor?
As a person.
As a person.
I'm trying, I'm working on it.
Do you have trouble sleeping at night?
No.
No.
I just hit the bed at 10:15.
ये हम प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं तो 10:30 बजे और ये ऐसी थी. ऐसे.
I have recently discovered that my body needs sleep and I sleep for like more than 9 hours.
Wow.
Amazing.
Aspirational.
When I don't do anything, I would just go to sleep. When I have free time, I would just pass out. And I think that's one of the reasons why, it's really tough because as an actor, you always have to look picture perfect.
Yeah.
And people
Just
are
say,
working.
don't be humble. That's the reason of the glow.
No, that's the reason, yeah, because
Sleep,
I
good
don't, I do not compromise on my sleep. I would just 10:30, I would be in bed. Even if I'm not getting sleep, I'll be in bed. I would be reading a script or my books or watching something, some krushi with something on the other, and
She
pass.
watches a lot of farming vlogs.
Farming
I
vlogs.
love, yeah, I don't know. I just love when people talk about plants, harvesting, cultivation and floriculture and all of that. It
Wow,
just
I would never have guessed.
interests me a lot. Like,
When we were shooting, actually, I forgot about this one in most of the interviews. When we were shooting in Kumaon, up in the hills, and she would find a plant, or she would just, say, look at a plant or a flower, and she'd actually know कि ये क्या नाम है इसका, क्या है.
I remember
Yes,
once
yeah.
I told, do you know what is an alternate name for a snake plant?
I know she told
I
me.
told you, it
Yeah.
was a funny joke.
She also, I think, showed me a shampoo plant as well, I think.
Shampoo
Not
plant.
shampoo. It was a snake plant, which is also called mother-in-law's tongue because it's as sharp.
Nice. Nice.
Wow.
Yes. All the mother-in-laws have just sort of gasped.
Shampoo, you mean the herbal thingy?
No,
Shikakai.
there's a plant which you only showed me and we've forgotten about it. There's a plant
There
where
was Touch Me Not.
yeah, Touch Me Not
तो
tha,
पता है
but
आपको,
there was a
हाँ.
shampoo plant also, which you had showed me. I
Must be
remember
one
that.
herbs, shikakai and all of those.
Could be, yeah.
Nice. That is some crazy knowledge that you have.
Yeah, it's my dream to like,
Oh no, nursery.
please, that would be like, that's all I want.
Maybe everybody who's watching this and wants to impress Pranal, maybe they can
They
approach
send
you instead
flowers.
of flowers. They can
Actually,
just
no,
come
Just
up to you with
sunflower
plants.
fields. Yeah.
They'll be plucked, right?
Flowers?
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's
I mean,
okay?
we'll send it to people
तोड़ो,
rather
तोड़ो.
than. Huh?
तोड़ो फूल तोड़ो.
फूल
मैं तोड़
मतलब-
के दे रहा था. अरे नहीं मत तोड़ना
अच्छा
मत तोड़ना.
बगीचा बगीचे का
पूरा बगीचा
अरे
भाई.
हाँ, he was trying to pluck himself. Please don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
Then I caught a butterfly for her, thinking that it's it's like
And I was like,
romantic.
no, I wouldn't.
And they're like, Mrunal, I'll give you something.
He
pocket में
came
से
like
निकाला.
this. Yeah.
अरे ऐसे था.
बट वो
And-
जिंदा थी.
हाँ जिंदा ही
Oh,
थी.
okay.
ठीक है.
How
तो
do
इस
you know it was a thief?
हाँ
Could be था also.
हाँ जो भी एक butterfly
हाँ,
butterfly.
was alive. हाँ.
So I gave it to her and she was started minding. How did you look at her? The colors,
No.
you've
So
hurt
what
her.
happens is that their wings are very
Fragile.
fragile.
Yeah.
So when you catch it, it starts. अगर कुछ हो गया तो it's very tough. And
Yeah.
बेचारा उनका lifespan is so short. So I was like, that's
Yeah.
really sweet. But look what. By the way,
I just okay.
there was a
let's-
moth
Okay.
in Kumaon, which I found it later, and I still have it within my book.
You have a moth in your book?
Inside because it had such beautiful wings and
Wings.
colors. Oof.
So then the butterfly, I was like, नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ इसको देख उड़ेगी.
Oh
my God.
And then
And then she got so
I
angry.
was so angry.
You killed a butterfly, so I'm like, I was just trying to like impress you by catching a
Cold-blooded
butterfly.
killer sitting in front of me. एक ने मौत को मारा हुआ है, एक ने butterfly को मारा
मैंने
हुआ
नहीं
है.
मारा, वो मरा हुआ
अच्छा
था.
मरा हुआ था. You've preserved
I
him.
will never do that.
Nice.
यार मेरे से गलती से हो गया यार.
He was
okay. Intention was
was
हाँ.
really sweet, but
Nice.
वो मर गया अभी क्या.
मेरा ये था ना कि सीन में जब हम कुछ करेंगे पॉकेट से निकालूंगा और ऐसे करूंगा और बटरफ्लाई उड़ जाएगा. अब नहीं उड़ा.
वैसे आप इतने रोमांटिक रियल लाइफ में हो.
अरे अब ये मैं कैसे मैं नहीं बता सकता ना, वो जो जिसके साथ हूँ
कभी
वो बता
किसी ने
सकती है.
किसी ने तो मेंशन किया होगा जैसे
बहुत
कभी ना कभी
romantic हो.
मोमेंट्स आते हैं when
He is
somebody is
very
like
romantic from
Yeah.
what I gauge
हाँ.
in all the interviews and the things that he's done. Super romantic.
what's the most romantic thing you've done?
Killed a butterfly.
Ah.
It's like
No.
no, I can't. I can't. I
He's
mean,
made a
how-
song.
I've made a song. Yeah, I've written a song, made a song, composed it, and sang for the person. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Sadhika, see, if anyone would make a song for us, I will to cry.
Yes,
एक और
exactly.
एक और. This is something I remember. एक कोई था, मतलब थी.
थी, हाँ.
हाँ, कोई थी.
था,
इंसान था.
हाँ, इंसान था.
लड़की
That's
थी.
also okay, yeah.
And I think she was not getting her sleeps. She was not getting good sleep because she had some cramps. And then she called me, and it was I think around 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and she's like, I can't sleep, and it's my stomach's really like cramping up, and I was like, okay, wait a minute. And I pulled out my guitar and actually sang for her, like on the phone for like an
my
hour till she
God.
actually fell asleep.
That's so sweet.
yeah.
Where are these guys, yaar? I mean, here, but like for people like me.
DM.
हाँ.
DM.
Comments.
वैसे आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? Do you guys believe in love at first sight?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
हुआ है आपके साथ?
हाँ, तभी तो yes बोल रही हूँ.
You don't agree?
No, I don't. I mean, I agree with her. Whatever works for her. But for me, love at first sight पहले होता था. एक ही बार हुआ है कॉलेज में, and then not after that.
वैसे लड़के अपना पहला प्यार नहीं भूलते हैं ना? A lot of times people reference their
लड़के अपना
लड़कियां
कौन
भी
सा भी
नहीं
वाला
भूलती.
प्यार नहीं भूलते हैं. I think सभी याद रहता है.
I think लड़कों का एक रोस्टर चलता रहता है दिमाग में कि इस मोमेंट में वो वाला याद आ गया, इस मोमेंट में ये वाला याद आ गया.
नहीं वो ऐसा नहीं है, बट हाँ मतलब लव एट फर्स्ट साइट तो
नहीं.
अब नहीं होता.
अब क्या देख के प्यार होता है?
अब इंसान देख के प्यार होता है, और टाइम लेता हूँ, और आई टेक माई टाइम, आई टेक माई स्वीट टाइम, एंड जस्ट टू हैंग आउट विद द पर्सन, अंडरस्टैंड द कंपनी, हाउ यू फीलिंग टुगेदर, sharing your dreams, sharing your aspirations, and and that's how like you eventually, it takes me time now to kind of fall in love. So and it has happened over a period of time, like initially love at first sight, वो घूमी और like हाय खत्म, फिर थोड़ा फिर वो हो के फिर 2-3 महीने हो गए, फिर जैसे जैसे और हुआ तो फिर 6 महीने हो गए, फिर जैसे जैसे हुआ तो 1 साल हो गया, अब तो मुझे लगता है 2 साल तो कम से कम मुझे लगेगा किसी से.
होगा.
अब मैं पूरी तरह से जान जाना चाहता हूँ, बोर हो जाना चाहता हूँ इस इंसान से, और उसके बाद भी अगर मुझे मन हो उसके साथ रहने का, तब लगता है कि असली प्यार है.
Is it because you want to protect yourself?
No,
from
is
the
it?
hurt?
It's because the butterflies in your tummies are quite deceptive, I feel. You always chase the idea of love, I feel, and that can actually, you're so excited, your honeymoon phase is going on, the butterflies in your tummy, and that in that zone you might overlook a lot of things which you might have to face in the future. I don't mind the butterflies, let that be, but just take it slow, I feel. If you want to, and for me, love is going to be forever. Whoever I want to be with, I want to be forever. It's never going to be like with an end date. So I want to take my own sweet time to discover each other, unwrap each other bit by bit, and then eventually, once the honeymoon phase fades away, you have spent enough time, you have traveled, you have gotten bored, you kind of almost like despise each other, and even after that, if you're like together and you still feel like I can't stay without this person, I think that is true love. For me, love has now transformed into companionship. Unlike the other,
Yeah.
पहले था कि गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए, अब वो नहीं है. अब like you need a companion who can deal with your imperfections.
Agree.
Lovely. And what about you? You still like
What's your question?
कि he was talking about love at first sight, right? कि उनका तो अब ऐसा हो चुका है कि now he wants a slow burn. He wants to be sure of everything. How about you? Do you wear your heart on the sleeve?
I do. And when it comes to love at first sight, वो आपको पहले नज़र में ही पता चल जाता है that
सच्ची?
there is something. If I mean, the butterflies होने चाहिए of course, पर पूरी ज़िंदगी के लिए, not just for that one day. I just don't want butterflies to come during Valentine's Day and then khatam. Every day should be Valentine's Day. Every day you should feel comfortable. Yeah, I'm very simple when it comes to love. यार हो गया, प्यार हो गया पहले साइट में, बता दिया this is what I feel. Relaxed.
आप लोगों ने उस थ्योरी के बारे में सुना है? It's called the 3 loves theory.
3?
Loves theory.
Yes, if you can love 3 times in different stages of life, that means वो सच्चा प्यार है.
हाँ, I think one is that, and one
Post-honeymoon,
is,
okay.
and the other is the one that I am referring to is कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में तुम्हें 3 टाइप के relationships experience होते हैं, and every relationship or every love has its own different meaning. First होता है the attraction or infatuation वाला प्यार, जो बहुत लोगों को बचपन में होता है कि like you're in school or you're in college and you experience that sort of love where it's more attraction, it's more the butterflies and everything. Second is where there's deep desire, there is a lot of passion, there are a lot of highs and lows, and you start to understand that this is what I want, and this is what I don't want. And the third is the calm sort of a love, जहाँ पे तुम्हें इतनी ज़्यादा butterflies feel नहीं होती, but you feel very calm and composed around them. You know, you like their energy, and by this time you've realized कि आपको क्या चाहिए life से, and you don't chase after the fluff of love.
There is no 3-in-1 theory.
No.
Like
I think
you'll
there
get
might
all
be.
3 in 1.
I hope so. मतलब वो तो मैं
Where have you come across this theory?
on Instagram.
Insta.
You know, this is a theory which it's my I had spoken about it 2 years back under 25.
Really?
First stage is called Junoon, passion,
Okay.
where what you spoke about, it happens like you get infatuated, there's a lot of passion. Second is Kaid. Kaid is because you're entrapped by your desires. It's so
Yes.
much desirable, and the pressure of the failed relationship in the first one makes you want to work this out, which eventually gets toxic, and then you break
Yeah.
that, and then now you're not looking for anything. And the third one happens is called Sukoon. When somebody just, when you're not looking and just comes right by your side and you just feel
Calm.
calm with that. This is my,
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
I'm like,
It is
Copyright.
Siddharth Javeri.
Yeah,
yeah,
copyright.
I'd written this on
Patent.
City Chats as well. Yeah, Junoon, Kaid or Sukoon.
Sukoon, wow.
In fact, there's something I'm writing on this one
Wow.
as well. Like
See,
a
this was
movie.
meant to be for me to come across this and quote it right to the person who's actually written it.
Siddhant's
Wow.
theory.
Siddhant's theory.
Yeah,
Siddhant ke Siddhant.
Siddhant ke Siddhant.
City Chats.
City chats.
वैसे you know the way that you guys talk about love makes me feel very full right now, क्योंकि the kind of generation that I am, you know, sort of seeing around me fall in love, उनका idea of love is very different. It's become very
Why didn't you reply to my reel?
yeah, and you know more
You
than
saw.
that.
You left me on scene.
Exactly. And you know, purposely not replying to a person that you might be attracted to for like 8 hours just so उनको ऐसा ना लगे कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब भाव नहीं देना ज़्यादा and everything. So just,
I'm just so happy to be a millennial.
but you know, if you guys were on a dating app, what would be your bios?
I wouldn't be on a dating app.
I know that. You don't have to be also. You wouldn't ever need to be on a dating app. People would be like courting after you. But chalo, let's assume that you have to be. What would that first bio be?
मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी हूँ. पसंद है ठीक है, नहीं तो जाओ.
Bio? I don't know, man.
Come on, you're a writer.
आओ सुनाओ.
Yeah, but when I have to like pitch myself as one, I don't know. I don't know. I'm clueless about this one. Yeah.
I think it could be lyrics of any song.
No, that's like too
Cliche.
cliche. Yeah. I'll skip this one in the bio.
I have a better bio for myself.
Yes.
From Jab We Met. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Oh, lovely. You do like Jab We Met a lot,
I
na?
love Jab We Met.
Yes.
Love.
I think all of us have, you know, sort of been Geet or wanted to be Geet first half wali.
Yes.
And second
Second
half,
half वाली भी होती है.
वो तो eventually life कर ही
वो
देता है.
situation. No, don't say that. वो situations कभी बुरी आती है, कभी अच्छी भी आती है. Let's focus on that as well. Yeah.
But how have you guys dealt with heartbreak in life?
Just being vocal. There were times where I felt like, you know, I'll just keep it to myself, suffer alone. But then I realized that it feels lighter when you share. So, and it's really nice to have friends who would not judge, but at the same time support you
Yeah.
and make plans in order to distract and just, you know, and then I've felt like I've evolved as a person. And heartbreaks कहते हैं कि how do you पूरी तरह से you don't feel
Move on.
you don't move on. You always love somebody and you'll always have that love for that someone. You know, it will not disappear like that. So it's tough. Cried myself to sleep. But then I saw a video of Rihanna. I was like, why should I cry myself to sleep and, you know, wake up with these puffy eyes?
Yes.
Especially the profession that I belong to. So I think I'm really strong here. And I just tell myself that it didn't have to work out. It didn't work out. It's okay. You cannot force somebody to be with you.
Yeah.
Period.
Fair. Anna, have you also been so mature and sorted in moving on? Or have you had those nights where you've, you know...
No, those nights even I've had. Miserable. Yeah.
But I think friends do really help. You're absolutely right. Because I remember my friends, you know, have been the ones who've actually helped me through. Matlab, if I wanted to, even if I did not want to step out and change out of my, pajamas, they have come, they have grabbed me, they've taken
Pulled
me.
you out.
या फिर गेड़ी पे जाएंगे या फिर बाहर जाएंगे, or we would just do things that would make me feel more than just that part of me that is sad and broken. How do guys deal with heartbreak? Do they feel heartbreak?
नहीं नहीं, हम तो इंसान ही नहीं है, तो फील होता ही नहीं. हमारा तो काम दिल तोड़ना है.
देखो करते तो हो.
यूं ही ऐसी ही गजलें शायर सारे लड़के ही बने, पता नहीं क्यों. सारे
I think
हार्ट
it
ब्रेक सॉन्ग्स.
translates. Say?
क्या? आई थिंक हम कुछ नहीं. आई थिंक वी कीप इट इनसाइड अस. Sharing is not very obvious thing to do. So we kind of try to hide it. We just put it. So अंदर ही अंदर वो जो सैलाब है वो उबलता रहता है हमेशा. And then just work. I travel. I just go to Ladakh, get a bike, just travel, be alone. Because even if my friends want to hang out, I just don't feel like hanging out because I'm not there. So I just want to stay with myself, just learn to stay with this feeling, not run away from it. Just stay with it till it becomes a part of you. And that's when a boy becomes a man, because you keep it inside. You keep it like inside you, and then that fires some kind of fuel. I mean, sharing obviously helps, makes it lighter, but then it keeps coming back. Eventually, I feel everybody has to deal it with, within themselves, and they have to deal it on their own. Sharing temporarily helps. Distracting yourself from that temporarily helps. So I prefer just happened, I think, twice. Both the times I just went traveling alone. And yeah, just kept it, and then wrote things, inspired me to write a lot. Felt the emotions, and yeah, then you see it in my films when I, kind of make it.
Take your broken heart, make it into an art.
Yeah, kind of.
Ooh,
Thanks to the
nice.
tragedy, I'll use it for my art.
Nice, nice. A lot of actually,
But it's also the way I think men and women or boys and girls, they cope up. They have completely opposite mechanism.
they do.
Now, thanks to the Gen Zs, I've come across these new terms like anxious partner, avoidant partner,
Conflict
Ooh,
avoidant.
conflict
the attachment
avoidant, the
style.
attachment.
Everybody has a
Emotionally
different
and-
attachment style.
Yes,
Emotionally
and
unavailable.
I
Oh,
know so many
spoken for all the
girls.
men.
Yeah. But I agree with Sid. Like all men go in this hibernation phase because they need time to process. Women in that case, they want to like sort everything today, now. But then I have realized that after a point, you cannot push anyone to give the answers. So just be with yourself, continue with your life. Don't distract, but yes, the life moves on with a heavy heart. And like I said, वो प्यार उस इंसान के लिए कभी कम नहीं होता. It'll always, like even today, there will be some kind of soft
of
corner,
you.
part of you wanting that, वो इंसान खुश तो है ना, सही तो है ना, खुश रहे बस, that's all you want.
Wow, that's lovely.
I think girls manage it better than emotional management. Girls are way better than men.
I think that's also because society ने हम allow किया है हमें to feel more emotions, and for men somehow
They say it's
a
not
byproduct
okay,
of
yeah.
patriarchy. Yeah,
That's why I mean, contrary to the, I don't know if it's a popular belief or not. I've read it somewhere that women move on faster than men do somehow, because men never.
No, it's ulta.
Yeah.
Women will pretend that they're okay, but they never move on.
that is very true.
Yeah.
That is very true.
I would like to debate, but some other time.
But when a man moves on, he moves on.
No,
Then
a man
I
never
don't
moves
think a
on.
man ever moves on.
A man never
Really?
moves on.
See?
Women generally move on, like they forget about the person.
Yeah. I think women take a long time to sort of get past, but once they do, they never go
But
back.
can I
They
tell
go
you
into the I
something?
don't care phase. Men always care. Like अभी भी उसका phone आ जाएगा ना,
तो
कि
अंदर
I
कुछ
mean,
they'll always, yeah.
they'll go.
But can I say something very honestly? It doesn't come down to man or woman. I think every person's coping mechanism is so different. Like it is, every mind is different, every heart is different. So that's what I'm saying. It doesn't come down to being a man or a woman. It depends on a person, what kind of a person you are. Everybody's coping mechanism is different. Dealing with heartbreak is different. Some people just will show up at work and use work as a band-aid.
Yes, that's me.
Or some people would go talk to a therapist. Some people would just not talk to anybody. I think if you ask me as a person, I've dealt with, I mean, not, let's just not put heartbreak as a love romantic heartbreak. There were many
Yeah.
heartbreaks
Yeah.
where it came to my best friend, like I've had a fight with her.
So those are terrible.
Those are terrible heartbreaks. Like, people, also your colleague, you've worked with them for like 10 years and then you have to part ways. It just feels like, oh my god, am I doing something right? Did I do something wrong? What if I'm hurting that person? But I also have to look at myself, and then I think you evolve, you mature, and it's life. मे बी वो कहते हैं ना कि इस इंसान की जर्नी आपके साथ इतनी टाइम के लिए सही लिखी थी दैट्स इट.
मेरी मॉम हमेशा मेरे को एक चीज़ कहती है whenever she finds me struggling in life कि जब काम में कोई ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो मैं नहीं चाह रही थी कि हो, या फिर प्यार में कोई ऐसी चीज़ होती है, and she always just tells me this one thing कि Sadhaka, learn how to surrender.
Yeah.
God, like your plans versus God plans. Okay, you have no idea what's there in store for you. जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है, just surrender. It's okay. It's not yours to control. So I think that helps me personally.
She's right, actually.
She's absolutely right. God's plan.
You guys have a particular playlist that you guys listen to when you're sad?
ये सैड क्यों पूछ रही है आपसे? मुझे समझ में नहीं
यार
आ
मेरी
रहा.
ऑडियंस बहुत सैड
और वो
होती
पूरा
है.
लाउड हो जाओ. लाउड हो कैसे हो सकता है? ये हमको दुखी कर रही है.
यार,
देखो हमारी ऑडियंस इज 18 to 24, ठीक है. उनकी लाइफ में अभी प्यार से ज्यादा रिजेक्शन है.
अरे ऐसा क्यों है यार? 18 साल की उम्र में रिजेक्शन?
आपके जैसे दिखते होंगे तो नहीं होगी, बट
अरे ऐसा नहीं, दिखने में
लाइक
क्या है?
दे स्टिल फाइंडिंग देमसेल्व्स, दे स्टिल
Okay.
स्ट्रगलिंग. हाय हेलो बोलने में लड़की से पता है कितनी नर्वसनेस होती है लड़कों को,
लड़कों को होती है.
इवन
अरे
लड़कियों
मुंह
को
में.
होती है.
बट लड़कियां फिर भी नहीं बोलती हैं. और उनको एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट आई फील गर्ल्स हैव मोर ऑप्शंस. दे माइट नॉट बी वायबल ऑप्शंस, बट अ गर्ल हैज मोर ऑप्शंस.
Might not be viable options. ऐसे ही रिजेक्ट हो गए सारे. वाइबल ही नहीं हो तुम लोग.
आप बताओ ऐसा नहीं
Actually,
होता?
yeah, I do have a playlist.
Yeah?
For sad songs, like when you feel sad.
Yeah, I mean, even when I was in love, I felt like I was heartbroken, thanks to Arijit Singh.
Oh,
You know,
yes. कोई एक गाना बताओ.
तेरे हवाले कर दिया, that song.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा there's one song, it's a Tamil song, Anbe Anbe. You know, it's, if I feel happy, I hear that. If I feel sad, I hear that. And it just comforts me. I don't know why. That's one that, even Jhol. There's one song,
Oh,
Jhol.
I love Jhol. Recently,
Oh
I've
my
been listening to it on
God,
repeat.
the acoustic version.
The
is
Coke Studio
so-
one.
It's so good.
I love it.
I mean, that song literally. Oh, I forgot to mention. I also go on a drive. I drive myself. I drive in the night. I would just take my car and just leave, and I'll play Coke Studio. I'll play Madari.
Oh, nice.
That's like that song which gets you, snaps you out of that
Zone.
whatever situation. Tough day at work, tough people to deal with, heartbreak, deals with everything. It's like Madari, Madari, Madari,
Nice.
Madari, mera tu. See? Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, Madari is that song. Jhol is, there's this Jhol. Anbe Anbe is my all-time favorite. बहुत पुराना गाना है. Yeah.
Nice. And what about you? Gully Boy?
No, of course not. I think I don't listen to music when I'm sad. I actually write more and I try to make music.
Creates music for
Yeah.
us.
So I feel whatever emotions I have and I write it down on a piece of paper and then try to make it into a song. So I kind of make songs rather than, I think that's my way of kind of venting it out. Yeah. I don't usually like particularly connect to, the lyrics of, I'm feeling my own things, so I want to write it on my own. So I feel like that. Yeah, so I don't have a sad playlist.
Oh, it's okay. But recently I read something written by a very famous poet. So
Which
I'm
is?
just going to read out that little poem for you guys. Love story is just a phrase we borrow when we don't know what to call it. Truth is simple. Real love doesn't need narration, and narrations aren't always love. A love story assumes structure, a beginning, middle, end. But love has none of those. It's either a feeling that grows beyond definition or a memory you frame as a story to make sense of what's gone.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, right? Would you
Who's
like to
this
take a
poet?
guess who's written it?
Who's this guy?
Is this it?
I think
Yeah?
some poet called Siddhant Chaturvedi who's written this.
Yeah.
And my most favorite line is beginning, middle, and end.
And yes. वही होता है ना, we spend our entire lives trying to fix our relationship or idea of love in a structure जो society ने शायद हमारे लिए बनाया
Exactly,
होता है. And a lot of life is realizing कि listen, it'll never fit into this. It was never meant to be one size fits all.
Yeah.
It's going to be different. It's okay, and you're going to just have to learn how to go with it.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Yeah. I mean, there's one more thing which I'd written, which says something like, we expect love to be like a feature film, but it is actually a series of short films with, like, you know,
Wow.
yeah,
I was about to say horror comedy.
yeah,
But yes, that
yeah,
Comedy thriller.
thriller,
I mean, yeah. But I
Human
think
drama.
that's my
psychological.
experience.
Psychological thriller.
Thriller. Yeah, seriously. But is there something in particular that you guys look for in love or in a partner? कोई एक चीज.
अगर एक चीज बतानी है तो आई वुड से ऑनेस्टी, आई वुड से. बहुत, आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ so many insecurities and complexes, we have become these creatures who try to hide their insecurities and are not very okay with putting it out there. We feel that we are judged. We are kind of ashamed of a lot of things, where we come from, how we look like, and confidence and faith lies in exactly those things. And I won't be confident about someone who is hiding a lot. I like people who are honest. ये हूँ मैं, यहीं से आता हूँ, ये जो है, और यही हूँ मैं. देख लो अब आप. So that transparency and honesty is something which is very, very important, and that eventually builds into confidence, and then you can kind of come closer, and then that आधा बैरियर तो ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू कैन ईजिली नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द पर्सन. क्योंकि परफेक्ट तो कोई नहीं होता, सब में कुछ खामियां होती हैं, अच्छाइयाँ भी होती हैं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट कोई ट्रांसपेरेंट है तो यू नो हाउ टू वर्क अराउंड विद दैट, एंड यू नो कि एडजस्टमेंट कैसे करना है लाइफ में. बट या आई थिंक दैट प्रिटेंस एंड द फेक थिंग्स, trying to be somebody else, is trying to be who you're not. I think everyone's special, everyone's different, and they should respect that, and they should just be themselves and have an identity. Only then I think we can identify the true love.
That's beautiful. What do you look for?
Communication.
Ooh, very underrated.
Yeah. But actually what Sid said, it all comes down to communication. Even if you're honest, you got to communicate. Like if you didn't like certain things, you got to communicate it in a right, precise way. Sometimes the partners would say really mean things to each other. It's probably not the right way to communicate. But when you say, hey, this is not nice, you know what, I would really like you to wear that, and this is my opinion, take it or leave it. I think that's very important. I feel like I'll say it in a very nonchalant way. The non-negotiable is communication. If you're busy, tell me you're busy. If you don't want me, tell me you don't want me. If there is anything going on in your head, tell me I need space. There is a clutter in my head. I need space. You're not helping me. Or I would just say, listen, today is a tough day. I need your attention. SOS. Period. Simple.
True. No, it becomes very difficult, especially I guess in your profession, because I don't know if your profession allows for a lot of constant communication, but in those cases,
I have a little bit different idea than you, if I can say.
Yeah.
I believe in non-verbal communication.
okay, explain.
But उसके लिए साथ भी तो होना रहता. Like
हाँ,
our
तो-
professions are so tough. We're always
Assuming
traveling.
that we are together for a long period of time, gestures, and you kind of start to learn someone. And when you learn someone, you know exactly if someone's uncomfortable, you know that the person is uncomfortable. And if someone's busy or tired, you can just, the second the person picks up the phone, in the hello, you can understand. I like that. I
Yeah.
like that, like unsaid things where you understand, अच्छा आज थके हुए लग रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, कल बात करते हैं. And then the सामने वाला लगता है कि it's so cute that without me even saying that, somebody understood me. So like नहीं 2 minute और बात कर लो ना. I'm like, this is what it is. Like, both are trying and taking efforts, even when they both know that they are aware of their own surroundings and situations. So I think I genuinely believe in non-verbal communication. कि इतना connection हो जाए, इतनी transparency हो, इतना प्यार हो जाए कि बोलने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े. Like शब्द कम पड़ जाए और शब्द की जरूरत ही ना पड़े. It should be just like in sync.
That is very
Telepathy.
nice and romantic, but practical life में
Exactly.
when
But
people start
practically
assuming,
तो
like
नहीं
for
है.
example, same thing. I wanted my partner to talk to me.
Right.
I was really tired, and he assumed that I was tired. But
So he gave you space.
He's like, you know what, you're tired. Just go to sleep. But I want to talk to you. And then he's
sometimes
like,
there's a
okay,
war.
sleep. Good night. No, I want to talk to you.
Exactly. Give me your attention. It's been a long day.
No words. When kabhi I've been through that phase, but then this assumption starts happening. But I assumed you were tired and you wouldn't want to. No. तो फिर वहाँ पे मिसकम्युनिकेशन होती है, so it's better to just communicate what I feel.
I think
मुझे
it's
प्यार
always a
करो.
hit
Okay,
and a miss.
come
Yes.
here.
SOS.
अब बस हो गया, अब मैं थक गई, मुझे सोने दो. Okay, ठीक है.
But
Not like
this
that.
reminds me of
I'm just
something.
kidding.
This reminds me of something that someone once told me, and उन्होंने ये बोला था that I'm a student in this relationship, and I found it very beautiful and romantic because what he really meant was that I like to study you as a subject.
Oh, I thank God. मैं कहीं और ही पहुंच गया था.
Oh my God, नहीं.
Okay, okay.
नहीं, वो वाला नहीं.
अच्छा.
अभी तक तो नहीं. So yeah, an appropriate relationship में एक appropriate इंसान ने मेरे को एक appropriate way में बोला
Miss,
था.
excuse me. I don't know the answer of that one. Can you teach me somewhere else?
Okay. Okay.
But does
No, I'm
that
just
mean I
kidding, I'm
look
just kidding.
like
But that's
old
so
enough?
sweet. No,
to
no.
be-
You're very mature. I don't know. I don't want to ask your age, but my God, this maturity level. Wasn't I telling you yesterday? I think I matured really
Yeah.
early, and
yeah,
that's
yeah.
the thing with girls. I don't know why. Sometimes in my 20s, I was behaving like I'm nurturing. I don't feel like a sister towards my brother. I feel like मैं उसकी माँ हूँ.
Ma.
I don't know what it is. But like you said, your friend said, yeah, that's really sweet. A very cheesy line. I would
Yes,
use
it
that
was
sometimes.
cheesy. Yeah.
But I think there is always a lover and a beloved.
Ooh, that's quite
And the roles
interesting.
keep reversing once you start leading forward in that relationship.
There's something beautiful you had said the other day.
Which
that
is?
we're just co-parenting or something.
Love is also co-parenting each other.
Yeah.
Because when a mother loves a son, she's bound to love him because वो उसका बेटा है. When the sister loves the brother, she's bound because वो उसका भाई है. But when a girl loves a guy, she loves him for who he is.
Yes.
With all his flaws, with all his strengths, with everything that comes, all the baggage, emotional trauma, everything.
Yeah.
And love is when you are with that person, you're okay to feel, you're okay to be triggered, you're able to speak about your triggers. You can tell that person, this is what I like, this is what I don't like. And the person slowly starts functioning according to what he likes. Like, I would rather do something that emotionally makes him feel safe and secure.
Yes.
It's also reparenting,
Yeah.
things. Also, that abandonment issues when you were growing up, people feel left out. There are responsibilities at a really young age, but sometimes nowadays, this generation, the kids don't know how to accept love. Like, sometimes you have to just like tell them, hey,
Yeah.
this is the love language. I want to love you. I know you have a love language too, and I will love you the way you want me to love you. But this is what I want to give. Can you please take it?
Yes. I think a lot of people in this generation ना वो confuse करने लग गए हैं love और lust को. कहीं ना कहीं the lines have been blurred and they've been spoiled for choice.
And love is tough. Love is really tough.
Yeah, and I just feel like what isn't in life? Everything in life is tough. If it's coming too easy, you're probably doing something wrong. Eventually, you find your ways around it.
Yes.
कि हाँ ठीक है, it's a tough thing, but I have found my way around it. But I just feel like आजकल ना बहुत ज़्यादा confusion है, बहुत ज़्यादा choice है, बहुत ज़्यादा swipes हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा back of the head में options हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, this is happening, whatever. But
This generation, we can only give them one message if you
Yes.
ask me.
yes,
When it comes to love, that is, you will have to take efforts. And love is not like, if you should just ask that person, what is your plan for the next 15-20 years? And if you see aligned, if you see to be with that person around, his plans or aims and dreams and goals, go for it. Be certain about what you want, because क्या पता बाद में, because today's generation, not everyone wants to get married, not everyone wants to have children.
Yeah.
And if that's your non-negotiable, you have it clear right from the beginning, because then ऐसा ना हो कि oh, you're compromising.
Yeah.
You know.
And don't lead somebody on either.
Yeah, so just be clear. Just be like, but I would just say the overthinker Mrunal in 2025, I'm trying to kill that overthinking Mrunal, because I've realized overthink kar karke na, you sometimes ruin your relationships.
For sure.
If there is a problem, ask. Just go with the flow. Be happy. Life is too short. Just enjoy it.
एक शाहरुख खान ने बचपन में हमें ये बिलीव करवाया कि ऐसा प्यार एग्जिस्ट करता है, और आज इस इंटरव्यू में मृणाल एंड सिद्धांत ने मेरे को ऐसा बिलीव करवाया, बिकॉज आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम टॉकिंग टू टू पीपल जिनका आइडिया ऑफ लव ना एक ठहराव के साथ, it's coming into, like, you're voicing it out with a lot of ठहराव and सोच and heart. So I think Shahrukh Khan and then you guys are
Wow.
guilty.
ये
I
ऐसा
mean,
ऐसा मत कहिए.
I should take a clip of this and keep watching myself all the days I feel
God.
low.
Yes,
Because
I
love Shah Rukh
Shahrukh
Khan.
sir has set the benchmark when it comes to love so
Oh
high.
my God, he has.
So high. Like, जो चीज़ें उन्होंने फिल्मों में करी है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा पार्टनर या
कभी ना कभी तो वो करे.
कभी ना कभी तो करे.
Except for जो डर में किया था उन्होंने. But हाँ, दूसरी फिल्म में.
हाँ.
What about you? You two have met Shah Rukh Khan also, na? Like at a
Yeah.
party.
Yeah, I think she's also met
I've
him.
met sir once.
And how was both of your experiences?
Beautiful. Yeah.
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 I cried. Like,
Tears वाला cry.
Yeah. Not in front of him, but he's such a sweetheart. Like, I just felt like I was dreaming. It was the screening of Tufan, and literally, we were watching the movie at Mannat, and it was during that COVID time where big gatherings were not allowed, and Farhan really wanted to show the movie, and when Shah Rukh sir came and he just kissed me on the hand and he said, "Mashallah, you're so good in the movie," and I was like, "I'm not gonna wash this hand for many days."
Oh my
When I
God.
reached home, my parents are fast asleep by say like 10:45, 11. That day it was midnight, post midnight, and my parents were just waiting like, how did it go?
That is so cute.
What happened? And I was so nervous. I remember Shibani was there with me. She was just holding my hand. My hands were sweating. I was freezing. It was freezing cold. And Shibani was such a sweetheart. She said, everything's going to be okay. Trust me, relax. I know you're overwhelmed. But how gracious of him to just drop me to my car. He opened the door. He spoke to my driver, Hussain, at that point of time. He asked, which way are you going to take? It's too late. How much time will it take for you to reach? And I was like, he doesn't even need to ask so many questions.
Why am I blushing listening to your story?
The moment I got out of Mannat, and I was just, that happened to me. But that's his aura. I don't think there is ever going to be, I mean, that love for Shah Rukh Khan is going to be eternal for life. And I love him too. Like, every cell of mine just loves him.
Oh my God, lovely. And what about you? Did you wash your hands after you met him?
I have met him. I think the first time I met him was at Zoya's. This was right after Gully Boy, and I was in a crowd. I was talking to someone, and then somebody just, held my hand, and I turned around. It was Shah Rukh sir, and I was like,
Awesome.
awestruck. And then he had loved the film and he had loved my work, and he said a few things which I don't remember because I was dimag sunna ho jata na. So I was in that state. I was like, what is this? What is happening? And then again, I was there at one of the days I was with my friends and bumped into him at a place, and then he called us all over. How graceful of him! Like me and my just friends, they're not from the industry. they got to like go and chill with Shahrukh sir at Mannat, and we danced till morning. And she's right. He actually drops you every time,
Till the car.
till the car, and he takes care of you. And he's, I think, the best host ever.
The best host ever.
God. So now 2 more people have corroborated to this story, because the number of people I've asked about their interactions with Shah Rukh Khan, they've just said 2 things, which is common. Ke, you know, he's the gracious host, wo hamesha gaadi tak aate hain chhodne, and that he smells great.
Oh, yeah, he always
So,
smells great.
Yeah. Okay. And, you know, like, since I think we have to wrap this up soon, I would ask you to sort of, you know, like, what is that one thing or one piece of advice that you would like to probably give an 18-year-old watching this who's feeling a little lost in life?
Why are we thinking that all the young kids are lost? And guys,
Okay, so you weren't lost when you were 18?
no, I found myself when I was 18.
That's
Actually, it's very important to be lost in order to find yourself.
Yeah.
And I remember, because my 20-year-old brother was feeling lost, and I said, you know, now that you felt lost, you will वो कहते हैं ना कि जब दुख आता है तब उसके बाद सुख
सुख आता है.
भी मिलता है. So I would just say that believe in yourself and don't be hard on yourself, because when I was 18, I was really hard on myself. I was very impatient. I didn't believe in myself. Just believe in yourself. Things will be okay, and just take one day at a time. Surround yourself with people who love you the most, who will inspire you to do better, and stay close to your family, because you won't find the love the way your mother loves you, the way my father loves me. I mean, it's just be close to them, because they'll never advise you wrong.
Yeah.
And follow your gut instinct. We do not listen to our gut.
Yes.
Please सुनो जो वो कहना आपकी
कहना
in a voice, just listen to it, because they'll always tell you if you dealing with a person, if it is a business call that you got to take, if there is a choice that you have to make, ask yourself first. Don't do things because your father wants you to, or your mother wants you, or your friends want. No, do what you want to, because if you won't be happy,
Then you can't make others happy.
you said it right.
And what about, okay, so you can give advice to
Why-
people who are not
yes.
lost.
Guys, we've put
18-year-olds who are
like,
not lost. Who
Gen
are,
Zs don't know how to love. Gen Zs are lost. Gen Zs are sad. Guys, I think you guys are doing amazing. Firstly, it's okay to be impatient. It's okay to be hard on yourself. If you are not hard on yourselves, I wouldn't be sitting here and talking about life. Just try to balance it with hardships and fun. Just have fun. Yeah, it's 18. Life is full of opportunities. Don't get stressed by watching reels and successful people getting their way too soon. Love will find you. It's not like love has disappeared in this generation. I think love will always remain, because it's the most powerful force in the world. Nobody, every generation will have its own way of loving, from letters to now reels and something else, maybe in the future. So I feel just balance it out, just have fun, don't think so much. Life is a surprise, and let it be a surprise. And if you feel lost, and you have your friends, you have your families, don't listen to us. We don't know what's happening
Yeah,
with your
live your
life. You have inspirations better than us. You have athletes. You have freedom fighters. You have Shah Rukh Khan sir, who's actually one of the goats. So you have a lot of inspiration, and we take inspiration from them. So just read books, watch films, be close to your family, love your friends, and just live your life to the fullest, because you don't know what's going to happen, with the political scenario around. So just have the most of everything right now.
wow, this almost felt like a film. It
Yeah,
had
like a
all those
speech,
genres,
sweet
from
ones.
athletes to political drama to
Yeah.
geopolitics.
70 minutes.
Exactly. वो 70-minute वाली speech this
अरे यार
felt
नहीं
like.
यार, ऐसे तुम लोग मत करो.
नहीं, but
It
it
was
was quite
nice.
inspiring.
It was
हाँ,
really
it was very good.
nice.
Yes,
Yeah, I
we
think-
quite liked it.
Because I generally feel like if we always like I because when you're 18, suddenly I see this shift in where we think the Gen Zs I think they're smarter than us.
I think Gen Zs are very
Yeah.
crystal clear about
Very
what
They're
clear.
assertive
vision,
also.
what they
yes.
want. They're very
हाँ,
assertive.
Agreed.
But sometimes it's important to not keep terming every feeling. Don't
Yeah.
give any name. Just feel it. It's
Yes.
just go with the flow. Enjoy
that's true.
it.
Yeah. And when you're naming it, at least step away from the abbreviations. It
Yeah.
gets very hard to keep up. Okay, what does
I feel like,
LYTSM and all of that
yeah.
means?
Sometimes I feel अब मुझे समझ में आता है कि जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था 18 साल का था, तो मेरे पापा और मेरे भैया जो होते थे 30-35 साल के, बोलते तुम्हारे ज़माने को क्या पता फिल्में क्या होती हैं,
अभी हम बोल रहे हैं
तुम्हारे ज़माने को सडनली वही लग रहा है कि अरे नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं है. हमको लगता था नहीं, हम लोग को तो पता नहीं, तो पता चल जाएगा. पता सबको चल जाएगा यार. जनरेशन, ज़िंदगी आगे बढ़ती जाती है, ज़िंदगी भी पीछे नहीं आती. जनरेशन होगा, एवोल्यूशन होगा, एआई आएगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी. आराम से अपना मस्ती करो लाइफ में, मज़े करो.
have fun, please.
अपने मम्मी पापा का सेवा करो, दोस्तों के साथ मेवा खाओ, मस्त रहो, माहौल बनाओ यार लाइफ में. और क्या ही है, बाकी स्ट्रेस भी लेना है तो लो, बिकॉज करियर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो सारी चीज़ें बैलेंस कर लो यार, उतना तो तुमको आता ही है.
आई थिंक करते करते हो ही जाएगा. एंड यू नो, लास्टली बिफोर वी टेक योर लीव, what do you think, what is, like, who is this film for? What would you say?
आई थिंक कौन,
कैमरा में जो
अच्छा,
सब हमें देख
मेरा
रहे
ये
हैं.
लग- ये
Oh, nice.
आई थिंक ये सबके लिए फिल्म है. आई थिंक यू नो, मिलेनियल्स, जेनजीज, it's a film, it's a human emotion, right? The basic emotion, love. So I think it transcends through generations. Very relatable characters, I feel.
Love is such an universal emotion.
Yeah.
I think this movie is for everybody
Everyone.
watching
All age
us.
groups.
And all age groups. And it's literally, the title says so, Do Divane Seher Mein. It's like two lost souls, hopelessly romantic, fallen in love with each other.
In a
Could be
yeah.
in a city,
In a
could be
city.
any city. And there is so much character, there's so much, the city itself is a character, by
Yes.
the way. And I just feel like today, and from all my experiences and the couples around me, I've always seen them rise in love. They never fall in love. So this is that story where when two imperfect couple meet each other,
With insecurities.
with their insecurities, they rise in love and they blossom.
They complement each
Yeah,
other.
they complement each other.
Yeah, like you guys have complimented me on this podcast.
Oh,
Thank you guys
I had
so
a great
much.
time actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
actually
did.
had a
And thank
great
you for
time.
reading my poem out.
Oh, I loved reading it. I loved stalking both of you because of research, and I found different nuggets. But you know, beyond that, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि there was a part of your personalities that you guys sort of bared with
Yeah.
me on this couch. So thank you so much for that. Means
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much.
The pleasure is all mine.
Quite a deep conversation actually. I loved it.
I love it, yeah.
Thank you, Sadhika.
Yay, lovely. Thank you.
She's the best.
Yes,
And she's the
thank
best.
Thank
And
you so much.
her mom, dad are the best too.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much. My dad will love you more.
Please ask him to watch my films as well.
You know, like my brother loves your films.
chalo.
So my parents loved her film,
Yeah.
and my brother and I, we loved Gully Boy.
Thank you.
Oh my God, you were such a like share in it.
Yeah.
You were powerful.
Thank you.
MC Share.
You know, yesterday after that interview, when that girl asked us, Pari, what's that one retro song? And you said that song from Tal or Sach Keh Raha Rehna Hai Tere Dil
Rehna Hai
Mein.
Tere Dil Mein.
And then it hit me so hard, and I realized that, oh my God, that has become retro.
Retro हो गया ना वो.
It was, हाँ, exactly. Retro
just
is something.
Today, right now, when you
हाँ.
were talking about it, just हमारा, literally हमारे ज़माने का. It has
Is
really-
Gen Z का
25 साल हो
retro.
गए.